Meet CRO Software, the all-in-one solution for waste management companies looking to streamline operations, optimize resources, and maximize profits. With real-time tracking and automated monitoring, CRO Software keeps a constant watch on your assets. With our customer portal, your clients are always in control, able to submit job requests, view their history, order additional equipment, and even manage payments, all from one simple interface. CRO's Customer Center gives you everything you need in one place, making dispatching a breeze with tools like the drag and drop board, daily truck map, and calendar view. From here, scheduling is seamless, designed to keep your operation running smoothly. Save time and fuel with intelligent mapping and route tools that optimize routes automatically, helping you streamline every trip, cutting down on costs and improving response times. The CRO Drivers app puts everything your drivers need at their fingertips, from route updates to instant job details, ensuring a reliable and efficient service from start to finish. With in-depth reports, you'll gain actionable insights to make data-driven decisions, ensuring you're always one step ahead of the competition. Managing finances has never been easier. With recurring billing and automated invoicing, CRO Software saves you time, reduces errors, and keeps your accounts up to date. CRO Software, your complete waste management solution built for growth. Visit crowsoftware.com to learn more.